In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your home address in Crypto.com, and it's easier than you might think. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have the confidence to manage your information directly from your account. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Crypto.com website. If you're not already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the homepage. This is your central hub where you'll access everything you need to manage your account and personal information. Now take a look at the top right corner of the screen and you should see a profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is your gateway to accessing personal settings, so it's a good idea to get familiar with where it's located. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. What you're looking for next is the Settings option. Click on Settings, which will take you to a new page dedicated to various account options. On the Settings page, you'll find multiple items that you can customize, but for now, we're focusing on changing your home address. To proceed, you'll need to locate and click on the Help Center option. You might wonder why the Help Center is involved here. It's actually a valuable resource for addressing specific changes or questions regarding your account details. Once in the Help Center, you'll find a series of articles, FAQs, and support options. Here, you'll be seeking guidance specifically related to updating your home address. The Help Center is the best place to find detailed instructions or direct assistance from the Crypto.com team. If you encounter any issues or need further clarification, you can reach out through the Help Center's contact options for a more customized solution. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your home address is up to date, keeping your account information secure and accurate. Remember, maintaining the correct personal details on your Crypto.com account is crucial for a smooth and secure experience. So if you haven't already, give it a try and update your home address as needed. Hopefully this guide has made the process clear and accessible for you. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more helpful tips and guides.